whilst it's wedged, get it in there. Outside, all done. Yeah, that broke. Get him. There we go. Put it in, mate. Oh no, I lost it. Yeah, I'll get it off there. Goddamn farmers. Blow my nose. Come on, lad. Yes, lad.
Enigma Production.
Welcome back to a video. So in today's video we are going to be changing the front gloss black, the front badge and the back badge, yeah, to gloss black. Okay, let's just whack them out, open them up. So that is going at the front one, magic. Pull that over there, and then the back one over here.
Just throwing that knife about there casually.
Yeah. Wait, I didn't even need that. I thought I needed to open it up, but
yeah, just keep throwing it about, bro.
yeah,
just don't let go.
Look at that magic, just like that, front and back. Okay, so let's get the front one done now. Actually, should I get a thumbnail of
just
both?
About to say, that looks like a nice thumbnail right there, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Right. So all you're gonna need is like a. I've got this pick tool here. You can use a knife as well, but this is better. I've just got it, and you're gonna need some trim removal tools. So get out there, Jeff. Do you want a chair, Jeff?
No,
you'll be all right. Right. So get like a corner here, yeah.
It's in my blood to sit like this, bro.
Just wedge it open like this, okay? Whilst it's wedged, get it in there. Just like you're starting a key, and pretty much you've got it. Get your fingers in there and just work your way along like that. Work your way along like that. Yeah, just come on. Just like that. Magic. Now the thing is, if you are going to spray these, there's no point, because when you take it off, it will always break. So like, see that one there, the clip's broke on that one. This one's a bit loose here. Yeah, it's pretty much done, mate. Look, it's fucked. So if you are going to take them off to spray them, there's no point, because I can get both of them for like 30p. I mean, £30. So
well,
see this one here.
Mate, you're flipping.
So get a zoom in here, Jeff. So see the broken one in there.
Yeah.
You just need to get them out before you put the new one in.
I don't know if I'm getting it today.
Yeah, right there. You see him?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, just taking them out. It will always break every time. Unless you got like a brand new one and it's never been taken out. But this is 2014, so this badge has been in there for ages. So now, just gonna spray some alcohol on it. There's no more, yeah, it's all clear to go in. Get some alcohol cleaner. Clean it up. Magic, right? Now, okay, and all you do, don't push it in straight away, just align it all. Align it all. Okay, this is the scary part now. Just push it in. Just nice and slowly work all of them in, nice and slow. There we go. Once you start hearing clicks, it's alright. Up here, up there. So I think the outside is all done. Outside, all done. Just push all the VW, just work your way, because they'll have clips in all of them. Yeah, that's it. Bang on that. Fucking beautiful, that much. It's alright, that. Then I think I might eventually blacken this out, but we'll see what happens. It definitely needed that one, because the thing with this and that, it kind of matches the, do you know, the wing mirrors. You see them, Jeff? Yeah, it's like the same colour, but this is like a chromy one, totally different. So now let's get to the back and work on that. Don't need that no more. Come on, Jeff. Let's go. Right, back one.
Come on this side, Joe.
Oh yeah.
Come on, bro.
Right,
Come on, brother.
Best way to do it is shove something in there. Yeah, that broke. Ah, you fucker. You are a tricky
That break too?
bastard. Hey, no.
Alright.
Wait, it did? Took a chunk out of the fucking cunt. You doing hear that? Get it on it, you fucking monster. Ugh. Wow, that's stiff as fuck though. He does not want to come out, does he?
Get him, Mush. Get him.
There we go, with him, mate. Oh no, I lost him. You fucking. Let me get a better one here, bro. He's a fucking ass. Let me get a stronger one.
Dusty toolbox.
This might work. It's a bastard, bro.
Go use that weight, that
Nothing else will work.
deadlifting belt you got there.
Yeah. If you got that, it won't get in there.
But where is all these lashes when you need them, bro? My guy just go rip it out, bro.
You bastard, yeah.
What is that?
It goes in like that. It's the black cover behind it.
Oh.
See the thing this
Oh,
comes off
oh,
with
right.
it. Yeah. Yeah, fucking hell that. Let's do my head in now.
I always wondered how this guy made his videos last so long.
Yeah. He's a right bastard, that. There you go.
That's it, mate. Screwdriver always works, mate. Let's get a hammer, smack the screwdriver from behind. Come on, mate. Pop there. You got him? That's it.
Got him, mush. There we go.
Just make sure you don't flip back in though. Oh, actually, you've already got it out now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright. It'll come out. Look. Fucking hell, he's solid to get out.
Bloody hell.
Good thing of replacing it and not fucking spraying it. What the fuck? He does not want to come out, does he?
Oh, what in the world?
Mate, what the fucking hell? Get off that goddamn car, much. Hell,
Yeah.
what a bag of shite. What a bag of foot and nails, man. But another thing is, none of the clips broke. See how I fucking took?
Broke everything else?
Yeah.
That's a joke, cuz.
Right on there, like that.
It's already got the cover on it though.
Hey?
Like that cover there.
No, as in, if you put it like that, it'll just be gaps. The cover is like this. Bloody idiot you are. Okay. It's gonna be a tricky one, this. To align this with that, you know what I mean, Joe?
Yeah, bro. I got you though.
You pay attention, right?
I feel you though. Whoa! There's a motorcycle.
Actually, click it in. Just figured it out, Jeff.
Look it out.
Be careful. It's the top, I'm just pushing down the top.
Yeah.
Let's stay it in. Yes, on that. Fucking bang on that. I'm gonna come off it. Fucking see how hard that one fucking moved.
Bro, you know these glasses, bro?
That's bang on me.
They block my sinuses.
Hey?
Like the glasses block my nose.
Woohoo! Come on, lad. Yes, lad. We got there eventually, but it's a pain in the arse, that one. The front one came off like that, no questions asked.
How dirty that car is.
Fucking
Just
salt
think of
spread
that,
everywhere,
that's
mate.
black.
Bagash.
That's black as well.
Yeah. Hey, what's this here? Get it. Right, but cheers for watching that one there. Good luck if you're trying to take that off in one piece. Fucking bastard it is. Right, cheers for watching. See you in the next one.